Good morning, children. Today we will do the next chapter, Never Give In. Winston Churchill was a British politician and statesman who served as the Prime Minister of United Kingdom. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature for his overall lifetime body of work. Winston visited Harrow School to address the students. The school welcomed him with the traditional songs. This speech was liked by everyone as it gave the motivational message to the students. We should have positive thinking and courage. That was his approach. He told the students about himself a year before. He came there as he wanted to give happiness to all by singing songs. Time was very crucial. The whole country was facing ups and downs. At that time, he was thinking of past good time. Everyone was in trouble. We all were facing problems. We have very less weapons to fight with the enemy. Today we are very strong, but at that time our condition was not so much good. We are facing the continuous beating from the enemies. It seemed that nothing will change forever. But we must learn that it is not sure that long ways will always be tough. It is generally said that British will be winner in the end. They are aware of the fact that life is not so much easy. We have to work hard to gain the success. We should always look forward. We must accept victory or failure at the same. Our imagination makes things out far worse than they are. Yet imagination is important in getting things done. Our imagination makes us aware about the coming problems for this. Extra courage is required. In that crucial period, we have faced so many problems. We should learn from that. We should always have a hope in our mind. We should never lose that hope. Sometime before it appeared that our country would come to an end, all the precious memories of our life would be diminished. Now we have got a position back. We are now again on that platform that we want to achieve it. This was a verse of school song that pleased him very much. But in our crucial time, we also love our school song. We cannot forget our past memories. I have got the permission to eradicate all the conceptual problems from the mind of people. We should not think of our tough time, but we should think that it was a better time. We should learn from it. We should be thankful to God that God has given us an opportunity to learn a memorable lesson from the crucial time. It will be memorable in our life history forever. Okay, now have a nice day.